This month, we're excited to introduce a major improvement to the inspection download process in the app. Inspectors can now have a much more efficient way to download their inspections before heading out to the field. Previously, inspectors had to download inspections one at a time. To download an inspection, they had to click on the download icon to the right under Operations. So to demonstrate, let me download one inspection for bridge 04335. So depending on the speed of your internet and the number of photos getting carried over from the previous inspection, each download could take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. So let's give it a few more seconds for the inspection to finish. So imagine that I have 20 bridges to inspect this week. Downloading and waiting in between can be very slow and tedious. With our latest update, inspectors can now batch download inspections. Inspectors could just select multiple inspections using a checkbox on the left, and then click on the blue batch download icon in the top right corner. This will initiate the batch download process. For the sake of time, I won't bore you, and I will speed up the video so the download will finish faster. Now that my inspections are finished downloading, I am now ready to head out to the field and start my bridge inspections. With this improvement, inspectors can now spend less time waiting by the tablet for each inspection to finish downloading. The batch download will save them valuable time and make their workflow much smoother. Thank you.